Well, before I can really get going on the 460 build, I have to take out a broken stud. It appears to be where the alternator goes, so I'll show you that, and then I'll show you my trials and tribulations of trying to get it out. Hopefully it goes real easy and there won't be any tribulations or trials, but I'm thinking that every other time I've ever had anything break off, it's not been fun. So stick around. Hopefully this will focus. As you can tell, this is broken off. I did not do this. This is how I received it. So I have a Viper bolt extractor, which has the reverse threaded drill to drill in, and then the extractor itself. So I'm going to try that first. I've never had any luck with them, but there's always a first time. And then if I can actually get a hole drilled in there, maybe I can put another nut or put another bolt on it so that I can work it out, weld it on there. But we'll see what I can get done. So I didn't want to do anything else on this until I got this done, and then I'll clean it up and then we'll start assembling it. But as of right now, this is step number one. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is try and center punch the sumbitch so when I drill it, it doesn't walk. Don't know how well this will work on hardened steel, but I'm going to give it a shot since it is not going to be fun. We're getting it. All right, I did that. Now let me get the drill ready. Here's my kit that I have, and I think I'm going to try and use the number 4 because the number 3 looks awfully teeny tiny. So I don't know if that's professional size, teeny tiny, but I know that the number 5 is too big. So I'm going to start with the number, I might start with the number 3 drill, see how that works out, and then go to the number 4, but we'll see. All right, I decided to try the number 3 first and see how that goes, but wish me luck. That didn't work too good. My center punch is still allowing it to walk. Imagine that. I think I made the wise choice in the size, so let it cool off a second and then I'll hit it again, and then we'll see if I can get the extractor to work. Sort of doubt it, but we'll see. We'll see. All I know is this hardened steel drill bit is a little bit better than any of the ones I've ever used from Harbor Freight. So made in America evidently is a good thing. All right, so there we go. We got that far. I'm going to pause you and get my extractor out. All right, everybody, wish me luck, because this is the part that always seems to not work. I went and got my T-handle from my tap and die set, and wish me luck, because this is always a part that doesn't ever seem to work out the way it should, if you know what I mean. There's probably a reason that it broke off in there. But holy shit, it worked. Oh my God. Well, you just witnessed it. The first time I've ever had this work out for me. You would have thought that the machine shop would have done that when it had the block in there getting it ready, but they also didn't put in any of the oil plug galleries, or the plugs for the oil plug galleries. So look at that. I've never ever had that happen. Holy shit. That is a freaking miracle. So there was no trials and tribulations. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition. Well, there you go. I think you were all pulling for me to get that to work right. I had very little faith that it was going to work, and I was going to get ready to, since I had that hole, I was going to possibly try and put a bolt in there and weld it, and then use that to try and turn it out. But this worked out, so I am happier than happy could be. So, anyways, I'll try and find a link for this extractor kit, because it worked great. It's American made, and I'm just in shock that it worked out. So thanks everybody for pulling for me. I appreciate all the support I get. Hopefully you've been sticking around now for, I'm going to build this, and then I'm going to have the Mustang restoration stuff. I'll still have the Torino around. Now I seem to be driving it a lot more now that I got the whole fuel pressure issue solved and worked out. So, you know, if you haven't done it yet, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the like button, please hit the little bell so you get notification when I put out a new video. And as always, thank you very much for all the support, and you guys have a great day.